pesos. The early I said pesos. Wait.
Nasaan na? Show mo yung 10,000. Dede yan ah. Ha?
Pag may pupunta na ako.
Aray! Bakit? Saan pupunta?
Pesos.
Hmm.
20
Hmm.
pesos.
20. Tapos? Hmm. 10,000 na ba yan?
This is 20.
Hmm.
See? Next. This is 100.
Hmm.
100.
Magkano na yan? 100 plus 20.
100 plus 20 equals 120.
Good
And
job.
then, do you want more? Wait.
Hmm.
I got 50, 100, 20, 100, 100, 120.
Magkano yung total?
I'm almost being rich, but I don't know what plus this. So many.
10,000 ba yan?
Yep, I know. More. Here.
Coins lang yan eh. Hindi naman yan kasya sa 10,000 eh.
You want to
Magagalit
see?
sa yung cashier dun kapag binigay mo yan kasi kulang yan.
You see, I have so much money because what was spent on this for whole time. Look.
Lilipad yung money mo.
This trash. Do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Kinuha mo yun sa store, no?
No. Si mama to.
Ba't kay mama? Wallet mo to eh. Ba't kaya mapunta kay Wawa?
Eh kasi wallet niya yan. Tapos ayaw na niya. Kaya binigay sa akin. Tapos rich na ako.
Eto, saan galing yung money na yan?
Eh, I spend that.
Paano ka nag-earn ng money?
Eh kasi dun sa pool, diba? Yung daddy's parang, family. And binigay akong pesos. That's why I became rich. 1
Ibayad ka
billion.
natin yan sa Meralco. Pwede
No.
mo?
Tell him to say no. Tell him to say no.
Bakit?
No. 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 Yeah. I have 1 billion pesos.
Mag-alcohol ka na.
So just wait to do. Just gonna put coins back here. And
Ang tagal naman, naantok na ako.
Tita. Full pack. This is where I sell my money. Because I am very rich. You know, if you don't know.
Kamay mo. Mag-alcohol ka doon.
Tamad ka, ma'am.
ikaw tamad. Tingnan mo. Di ba bawal yung touch ng money punta sa face? Hindi mo mukha mo. Huli mo na yan, tapos ano gagawin
see?
ko?
Money. Video mo na ako, ma'am. Oh.
Ito mo lagay. Ako ka na.
So, guys.
Pantay na lang kita dito. Pulsa. Masuli mo na yun. Okay na? Stop ko na to?
No.
Tagal. Wala ka naman sinasabi.
So, yeah. Yo. Stop. So, guys, that was the end of my video. Part 2 coming soon. Bye.